Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Tunes. This time I am going to show you how to use Zoom. So what is Zoom? Zoom is a video conferencing application used for various online meetings, video conference, online teaching, webinars and even for video chattings. Zoom became very popular nowadays and increased its users to around 300 million across the globe. The primary cause for the increase of Zoom application is due to its various facilities available across its all platforms. No other app is providing these facilities at this point of time. Reminding you that Zoom hit headlines recently for its security and privacy concerns, but the company is working on it, and the good news is it is going to release Zoom 5.0 version with two important security updates. It is providing now AES 25-bit GSM and end-to-end encryption with this version, which provides more protection to the users. Okay, let us come to the point. Let us know how to install Zoom, use it in PC and mobile. First of all, let us install it. Go to Play Store and type Zoom. There you will get Zoom Cloud Meeting. Install it following the instructions. After installing, it asks you to give your date of birth for verification. Click OK. Now Zoom is installed. Let us open it. This is how the first interface on the screen or the home page looks like. Zoom can be used in two ways. One, to host a meeting, and two, to join a meeting where someone is hosting the meeting and you are invited. Let us use it first as a host. That means you will conduct the meeting and invite other members to your video conference. So there are 8 icons, 4 in the top and 4 in the bottom. Now first you click on the bottom meetings icon. We have to invite some members to our meeting. So you can invite them by mail or by message or by sending the URL. Let us invite them by giving a message. So copy to clipboard and go to messages and paste the message and send to your friend. So when you send it, your friend receives the message. He can join using the ID and password, or he can click the link directly also. He has to install the Zoom before it. Now you see on both screens how it is appearing. So your friend is going to join in the meeting. So how it looks like. So when your friend joins, you will receive a message. You can allow him or you can make him to waiting room. So we have to admit him to be in our meeting. After that, both will be connected or all the members will be connected like this. Then it looks like this. So hosting your video and the other members' video will look like this, and there are 2-3 modes. You can swipe back, left or right. Now there is an option, you can mute them all or any one of them, so that you can only speak as a host, others will be keep quiet and listen to your audio. So that is your choice. So for all the members I have muted, so that I can only conduct the meeting and speak something. Your friend got the message that video stopped, but he can hear still. Now your video is visible to them and your audio also audible to them. When you want to give a message to all of your members or some of your members, then click the 3 dots and choose chatting, then type whatever you want, so that every member will get that message or some of your members. So your friend got the message. Now the very important thing in this Zoom app is its whiteboard. Whiteboard can be used for various purposes, like drawing something or explaining something on a board. Freely you can write anything on the screen or whiteboard. For mathematics purpose also you can use this one. So there are different icons available. You can choose the pen size and colors also you can change. Eraser icon is there, you can erase them. So there is a real-time experience. This is a very important icon in this Zoom app, which is available for this one only. No other app is getting this. So this is very important thing. Whiteboard. Now, when you want to praise some of your members or encourage some of your members, how can you do that? Click the 3 dots and choose the icons or emojis from the menu. You can do this directly, and this is also very important facility available in Zoom. So when you want to end the meeting, then you have to click end at the top. So there are 2 options available, leave meeting and end meeting. Leave meeting means you will only leave the meeting, others will continue in the meeting, and end meeting means all the meeting members will be cancelled totally. So let us now see other options which are available. On the top icons, click on the schedule meeting. So here you can plan a meeting well in advance by giving date, time and members, password, everything you can set and you can keep them. So it will include with your calendar and reminds you whenever meeting is there, and also to all of your members. This is one facility available in Zoom. So another icon on the top side is screen sharing. You can share your total screen of your mobile or your PC, or entire screen you can share, or some portion of your screen also you can share. So by using Zoom app, you can also use your presentations and Excel, Word, Sheets also you can directly show them through this app. So all facilities are available in this one. So there is settings icon is there. You can use it to control your meetings preferences. So these are all about the Zoom app. I hope you enjoyed well. Next time we will meet with another interesting topic. Till then, bye bye. But don't forget to subscribe my channel to get different updates like this. Thank you very much for watching.